Welcome, today I'm showing how to turn off Hey Google option into XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Firstly, open your Google application, this one. Then tap on the bottom right corner and got more options, so I'm tap here. If you don't have this button here, press to your Google account icon and choose settings. So I'm go to more and settings. And now in this menu tap voice and here choose voice match. And last one, tap here on the switcher to turn off your Hey Google and tap OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.